Hi, what is your name?
So my name is Jay Cherie. I'm a tech here, a lube tech here at Wauwatosa Kia.
Okay, and then I'm just gonna be asking you a few questions today. If you could drive any car from our dealership on a spring road trip, which one would it be and why?
Hmm. The EV9 long range. I say that one because the reclining seats in there is crazy. I love the LED lights. Good speed. I say good smooth driving. What else? I say long road, like a road trip. It'd be nice to have something with a sunroof, moonroof, like the way that one has. It's an excellent car. I would definitely choose that one as my go-to car.
True. As we transition into spring, what's your favorite part about the changing weather?
The sun. The sun is back. I'm happy about that. Nice cool breeze. We get the hot days, get the cold days, so I actually like that about the springtime. Really, that's my favorite part.
Fun. As we spring forward with daylight savings time, how do you plan to make the most of the longer days?
Peeling them new cars that we got coming in. I'm not gonna lie, that's my favorite part. I can say, what else? Just getting to learn more different things, new stuff starting, springtime. So we getting a lot of new stuff happening around here. So, hey.
With the arrival of spring, what's one road trip destination you're itching to explore?
I got somewhere in St. Louis I want to go. So it's like a 5-hour drive. So that's what I'm saying. Like, hey, the perfect car, the perfect drive. I'm ready for that.
With the arrival of spring cleaning season, how do you keep your car looking fresh and clean?
Don't tell nobody, but I go to detail in the back. Go to detail in the back. I go ahead, I wipe my windows down, I give myself a nice good wash. Wipe it down with the, what is that, the microfiber towels, y'all know those. A1. What else? Nice little car scent smell. Nice little detail. Wash my rims off and everything. Keep it nice and clean. That's how I like to do almost every day, actually. So.
Slay. Okay. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.